guys, my name is Asu Sharma. I am working as a software developer with Grey Matters. Today we are learning about how to implement JWT JSON Web Token with Laravel. Before we start JWT token installation, implementation and configuration, we need to know that how JWT token is work and why we use JWT token. Basically, JWT token provides a security layer for REST API for authentication. And how it's work: when user use username and password and submit a request for login, then request go to HTTP server and check that user is authenticable or not. If user is authenticable, then it's return HTTP response for with success and return a JSON Web Token. This token is used to another API which is used for login user only. And if user is not authenticable, then it's return a HTTP error response that user is not authenticable. Then let's start how to implement JWT token in our project. To installation, first step is used to this command. This command is used to installation of JWT auth package in vendor folder. Its command is take some time. After successfully submit installation of this command, then second step is go to config auth.php file and includes the Laravel service provider in providers array and related packets inside the alias array. Let's move on code. This is my providers array and I already used this for providers in providers array and alias in alias array. Now second step, we need to publish this vendor. After register this JWT auth package in vendor providers, we need to publish this by using this command. After this command, we need to generate a secret key by using this command. After successfully run this command, a secret key is generated in .env file. So guys, you can see that in .env file I have a secret key. Now let's start next step. Now we need to set up a model. Let's move. I create a patient model. In patient model, before use the model, we need to JWT subject. It's provide two kind of function. First one is get JWT identifier and second one is JWT custom claims. So next step, in next step we need to configure authentication guard. So move on auth.php file. Auth.php file will be app /config/auth.php file. In that file, we need to install a basic driver JWT, and in providers we provide a model name. If you use another model name, then you can use this with another model name. Let's go to controller. In controller, this is my controller for login, email, password. For validation, we use validator class for validation. After validation successfully, we check that user is authenticable or not by using the email. If user email is exist, then user is authenticable or not. If user is authenticable, then move this code. Otherwise, it is under response not a valid user. If user is successfully login, then return a JWT token. This token is returned for HTTP response. Now let's move Postman to check that JWT tokens work or not. Then I click this, submit the post for login API with the username and password. Then JW token return with a success response. So this token is used for another API with a barrier token for next API authentication. Thanks.